Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Turbo serviceable TSM Tool Pro V225. TSM game-changing and world-first. Android 15/16 changed to active without usage tag. Added check IMEI-SN Oneline service Samsung devices. KG state checking, model name, Maket Name, production date. Added new updates of Samsung 2025 next models EDL. Remove KG beta in new patches via EDL. Remove KG via ADB KG to active. Download TSM tool from description link and install it. Remove FRP, factory reset. Fix MDM can't download. Read, write XML firmware. After install TSM tool, log in it. Like this video and follow me on all platforms. Comment on this video and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for receiving notification of my upcoming videos. So being with video again. Go to Samsung tab, click Advanced Mode. Click Read Info. Click Check IMEI. Then write IMEI-SN serial number. It will show all info of your phone. For activation of TSM tool or bypass KG MDM remotely, you can contact me WhatsApp or Telegram. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.